Okay, so okay, so today is my first day just recording what I did in regards to trading. I'm trading a simulated account, just documenting my experience. So if you hear all that little noise, that's my cat. Uh, Pico, come here. Okay, so going into it is what we got. Let me make sure everything is visible here. Okay, so today is 10:20. Excuse me, mister. Get out of here. All right, so today is 10/20, 2023. It's the first day going over my sort of trading journal or trading experience. Right now, I am trading a simulated account. I have been studying the past like couple of years, price action and everything. So I've just been trying to take everything really, really slow in regards to trading. Um, this journal, uh, I want to. I just want to do this just so I can prove it to myself that I can trade, and yeah, that's essentially it. And then hopefully, eventually, if I do really well in trading, I can obviously make it a full time thing. And then also help teach because I do like to teach others and everything. So um, I'm going to switch my screen to the chart here. So looking at the 5 minute micro ES, because even though I am simulating trading, I plan on going to the micro ES when I'm done doing simulated trading. So over on the left, I got the 15 minute, and then on the daily. So I was following along to the webinar for Brooks' trading course, and it's just kind of what I've been doing over the past couple weeks. It's just been very on and off. But what we have from the open, bar one, we got a downtrend, right? We're continuing off of the daily downtrend right here. But we're approaching lows. So, over here, in regards to context, we've been in this downtrend and then we had a big pullback, and it looks like almost 50% of this pullback, right? So, bears that shorted this area are now trapped. Bulls made money. So we're still in a downtrend though. So bulls look to exit about 50%, and bears that sold here look to scale in. So that means that as this price reapproaches this low, we're going to have like some sort of trading range action on the intraday. You can kind of expect that because these bears that entered here are also going to be profiting here because they scaled in over here because they were trapped. And bulls are going to buy in on these lows over here, looking for like scalping or whatever, because this move right here is enough money to make. So there's definitely some buying pressure down toward these lows, right? Longer tails signifying a trading range. We got a pullback here, resumption, double top here. So we're looking at like trading range behavior I guess, is what my mind is telling me now. On the webinar, said that we were expecting some bounces here, right? So over here, I was just, this is my first day with Trading Ninja. This is the platform, the broker that I use here. So I was just getting used to like what it was like to set in the stop limits and, well, the stop orders and the limit orders and market orders, all right here, and using my right click and everything. So this, I'm just practicing here. And then I decided, to try to actually do a trade here. Now this isn't up to date. I actually left in the middle of a trade to go do grocery shopping. So we're gonna just take a look here what happened. So price is down, downtrending. We're seeing buying pressure. Okay, we see a little channel, and channels eventually enter into trading ranges, right? So this is a weaker trend, and we're approaching lows. So we had a nice big retracement up. We have, a couple bull trend bars after a channel. This, I don't know if, I'm not the greatest at, figuring out whether if these are considered breakouts or not. I would consider it. It's 3 bull bars on the 5 minute. 2 of them are closing on a tie. We got one here. This is disappointing for bulls. But I knew if there was a breakout, it wouldn't last long. We got these EMAs. We got this long downtrend over here. So there's going to be sellers on top. But bears at the bottom are going to be trapped. People are expecting lower prices. So they were trapped here, right? And they continue to be trapped. So they're looking to scale in and sell. And they probably sold towards the top of these moves over here. These are our resistance areas. So they probably scaled in. And my thinking was, okay, like when the price was up here, I was going to buy on a limit right here. And that's where this this entrance is indicating right here. I entered in on this candle on a buy limit. And why did I do that? Because this is about 50% of this leg here. So bears that got trapped are exiting here with a profit because they scaled in here. Bulls made money on this move. Okay, so bulls made money on this move, and bears are trapped. Bears are scaling in. Bulls are selling here because they know it's a downtrend, and they're going to re-enter here. Bulls are going to re-enter because they know that bears are trapped, and they're going to, this area is kind of a surprise. So this is going to be developing into a trading range. We can see that this leg tested basically the top of the channel. And that's what I guess is like the beginning of a trading range. So I bought in on a limit. I did not wait for a buy signal bar. This is practice for me. I've been paper trading on TradingView, doing the back testing before, and I've just been watching a ton of bars over the years, and I felt comfortable enough to do that. And I also set a buy limit around this level here as well, and I set a stop, protective stop here, about like one measured move from I think this level down to this level. So that would tell me, okay, this is a losing trade. I was expecting more, like the price to fall down a little lower because this was a big move, over the days and on the 15 minute and everything. So, I was expecting more of a deeper pullback for a double bottom. That's why I put in this the scaling order in, and I put a limit order at the top over here. I I at first had it up top here, but I thought it would be, I thought it'd be a little bit more conservative because we have this long wick here, and I know that bulls that were trapped up here are going to be selling, maybe earlier, you know. But again, this move is strong enough for, I guess, a second leg up. So I entered here, and then I went to Walmart. As Al Brooks says in his course, I seriously did go to Walmart, and I went grocery shopping, and I picked up this microphone and the camera and everything. So yeah, I went out for a couple hours, and I was pleasantly surprised to see that this move worked. And if I go on the 1 minute, it's really nice. So entered on this minute, I wasn't monitoring it, but I wasn't monitoring the 1 minute. But I mean, this looks good to me. I drew this highlighted area thinking that this is where I'm going to see a bounce at. And we see a double bottom here. Nice surprise, couple bull bars. So, obviously there's no selling, going on here. There's more bears, exiting than bulls, exiting. So, yeah, I mean, more bulls are entering in here. So, what I'm really proud about is my limit order hit at the top, of this leg, pretty much. It was at the middle, this area here. We can see that this candle almost hit it, retraced back, opened up on here, hit a low, and, hit my limit. And then the next candle, the next 1 minute candle started at a 50% retracement of this move. Then we see that, buyers stepped in and they go for the top, and I haven't checked the rest of the day. It hasn't, it hasn't been loading since I got back from Walmart, and I have to make sure that my desktop doesn't go to sleep in the future. But, yeah, I mean, I can expect, I didn't check the rest of the day, but that more trading range behavior would have continued, or a larger reversal up, probably to like the moving averages. So yeah, that is my explanation on what happened throughout the day today and my trades. And I am happy. I'm proud of myself. I'm gonna put this up on YouTube just for my own record keeping. Yeah, so day one, positive day, and I'm gonna go work out soon and go down to the city and have fun. Bye.